Hi, welcome to MSSO Seminar Online. I'm going to cover a bit more of detailed examples on how to do uh, multiplication and division of decimals. So, multiplication is really just how you would vertically multiply anyways. So, when you got them stacked like this, you just do 5 times this, 5 times that, 5 times that, 5 times that, and you would want to properly carry things over. So, let's start with the front. For now, let's forget about the decimals. Those will come in at the end. 5 times 1, 5 times 0, 5 times 2 is 10, so carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Now when we go to the next one, we're going to put a 0 here. 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 2, 2 times 1. And then 0 times all these things is just going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now let's add all these up. 5, 2, 0. This is 10, so carry the 1. That's 3. So now, how do the decimals come into play? You want to count how many decimal places you have, as in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we got 3 places here. We have 2 places here, so how many places do we have overall? 5 overall decimal places. So starting here, we want to go back 5. Since we took these over to the right 5, we want to go to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 0.30025. So when you're multiplying, be sure to count how many decimals you have. There is a way to write it with like moving the decimals first and then multiplying those numbers out, but functionally it works the same way. If you can ignore the decimals until the very end, then the numbers are already there and you can carry out your multiplication that way. Just make a little bit of room right here. So now, problem like this one, 1.41 divided by 0.3. So let's write that out with long division. So yesterday I talked about like counting up decimal places and canceling them out. But I think actually an easier way to do it is to cancel them out first and then divide. I said multiply before. Divide. So I want to move this over by 1 to here. But if I do that, I have to move this over by 1. So this will become a 3, and this will become 14.1. And now you carry out your division. Can 3 go into 1? No. Can 3 go into 4? Yes, it can. One time. Or, I'm sorry. I'm not even thinking about this the right way. Can 3 go into 14? Yes. How many times? 4 times. Got 12. So I'm going to leave that decimal right there for now. How many times can 3 go into 21? And that's 7 times. But since we already canceled out the decimal places up top, the decimal place here is actually carried above to there. So your final answer should be 4.7 for that one. And yesterday what I did was I counted, okay, this has 1 decimal, so then you move it over. But I think this way shows a much simpler way of keeping everything organized. So after you cancel them out, wherever the decimal is, it just stays there for the answer. But I wanted to share that because I was looking at my video from yesterday and I was like, kind of rushed that. A little bit quick on the explanation. I think I had a meeting coming up or something, or somebody was calling me, but hopefully this will help future division. Maybe I can pick some more messed up long division ones if I know people have questions about it, but thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.